Let's move on to the discussion of next questions, which are related to reading comprehension. So first question is, how does a book connect the reader and the writer? Answer: when a reader reads a book, he finds himself able to relate with the scenarios, depiction, and characters mentioned in the book by the author. Reader identifies himself with the characters he meets and learns whether he loves, loathes, fears, and flatters. Books help readers comprehend their faults and aspirations. Books provides the deepest connection to the morals that make readers human and part of larger society. Second question is, in what way books are better than radio, TV, and internet? Answer: books make us delve into the complexities of life. When we read books, we identify ourselves with the characters we meet and learn whether we like or dislike them. Books help us comprehend our faults and aspirations. They are such bridges which help us make our contact with society and prepare us to face the world. Moreover, books are a form of technology that is spread over the pages. Radio, TV, and internet lack such qualities. Third question. It's slow food in a world given over to fast food. Explain. Answer: author uses the term of fast food for print media like blogs, text messages, newspapers, magazines, and ebooks. He says, like fast food, these materials provide the readers with instant pleasure and gratification, but their effects fail to endure. On the other hand, reading books is compared with slow food because it provides with pleasure slowly, with the story moving to its conclusion slowly and gradually. Fourth question is, why should people be given more opportunity to read books? Answer: people should be given more opportunities to read books so that they become well aware of their surroundings. They should read more books so that they can be provided with deepest connection to the morals that make us human and part of a larger society. Thank you.